Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. So students, we are back again with a very good question based on time, speed and distance. Okay students, now before we start, just wanted to tell you a couple of things. Here is the description of our courses which we are providing. To enroll, you can visit our website www.quantifiers.in. Students, we also have a Facebook group for in which regular questions are being posted for your practice. You can join this group. The link for is also given in the link is given in the description. Okay, students. Now here is the question. Please pause the video and try this question, everybody. Okay, students. So I hope all of you must have tried it. Now let us discuss this question. So it is given in the question that there are two people A and B. They start from their respective homes every day and travel towards each other. So they are traveling towards each other and their speeds are given 8 meters per second and 6 meters per second. Now it is given every day they meet at point X. So I'm assuming, let's say this is point X. So this is the point, students, where they meet every day. Now they are saying A was late. One day A was late and they met at point Y. Now students, it is very clear that B must have reached point X. B अपने normal time पे ही X पे पहुंचा होगा. तो B का जो routine time है, he will reach at point X. A must not have reached. Why? Because A is starting late. So I can say that A will be somewhere behind. A will be somewhere behind. So I'm assuming that when B reaches at point X, let's say A is somewhere here. Now students, this distance between A and B, this distance between A and B, this is not 168. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स यही गलती कर देते हैं कि वो इस वाले डिस्टेंस को 168 एज्यूम कर लेंगे. But the question is given, they are meeting at point Y. That is 168 meters away from X. Now, you tell me, students, when B reaches point X, A is somewhere behind. Can I say after this? After this, A will travel some distance. A will travel some distance. B will also travel some distance. दोनों कुछ distance travel करेंगे and then they will meet. So let's say they are meeting here now. And students, this point is given Y. And it is also given that they are meeting at a distance, they are meeting at a point Y, which is 168 meters away from X. Basically, ये वाला distance given है 168. स्टूडेंट्स, थोड़ा सा आपको एक चीज बता देता हूं मैं, एक बहुत ही स्मॉल छोटा सा कंसेप्ट है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट विच विल बी यूज्ड हियर. व्हेन टाइम इज कांस्टेंट, व्हेन टाइम इज कांस्टेंट, तो जो भी स्पीड का रेशियो होता है, जो भी स्पीड का रेशियो होता है, वही डिस्टेंस का भी रेशियो होता है. राइट? मतलब यहां अगर आप देखो दोनों की स्पीड का रेशियो क्या है, रेशियो ऑफ देयर स्पीड्स इज हाउ मच, 8 and 6. तो उनकी स्पीड का रेशियो क्या हो गया, 4:3. तो अगर उनकी स्पीड का रेशियो 4:3 है ना, तो डिस्टेंस जो वो लोग कवर कर रहे हैं, डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय देम विल आल्सो बी इन द सेम रेशियो. डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय देम will also be in the same ratio. So students, we can say that distance covered by B is 168. Distance covered by B is 168. So can I say this is equivalent to 3 parts? ये 3 parts के बराबर है. So when B is covering 3 parts, if B is covering 3 parts, A must have covered 4 parts. I hope ये point सबको समझ में आ रहा होगा. When B reaches from this point till this point, in the same time, A reaches from this point till this point. So if B is covering 3 parts, A must be covering 4 parts. अब स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हमें पता है कि 3 parts is equivalent to 168, if 3 parts is equivalent to 168, so 1 part will be equal to 168 by 3, that is 56. A ने कितना कवर किया? A has covered 4 parts. So 4 parts will be equal to 224. तो मतलब जो A ने डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया है, that will be 224. Now students, what is the question? The question is, A is late by how many seconds? Now A is late by how many seconds? Can I say when B reaches X, जब B पॉइंट X पे पहुंचा, at that time A should have also reached point X. मैं ये कह रहा हूं जब B पॉइंट X पे पहुंचा होगा उस टाइम A को भी पॉइंट X पे पहुंच जाना चाहिए था. But when B reaches at point X, A is how much behind? Students, A is behind by this much distance. Right? इतने distance से A behind है. How much is this distance? Students, this distance is 224 plus 168. This comes out to be 392. So A is basically 392 meters behind. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये डिस्टेंस कवर करने के लिए A will take how much time? Time taken by A to cover this distance will be distance, that is 392 divided by speed of A. और A की speed हमें पता है, speed of A is given 8 meters per second. So students, now if we divide 392 by 8, answer comes out to be 49 seconds. So that means A was late by 49 seconds. So it's a great question, students. I hope all of you must have understood it. Anybody, any doubt, you can post your doubt in the comments. Okay, students. Thank you, everyone.